It started with a dare at a yard sale. My friend's friend Ava bought an old Remington typewriter, dusty and jammed, for $10. But when she pried open the carriage, she discovered a hidden stack of yellowed, anonymous letters tucked inside. Each typed page began the same way: Dearest S. The letters revealed a secret love between two people who could never be seen together. S was married. A, the writer, was someone's shadow, always careful, always hidden. Their affair unfolded in coded language, with cryptic references to moonlit meetings, trembling hands, and a locked garden gate that only they knew about. As the letters continued, the tone grew more desperate, whispers of jealous glances, hushed threats, and the fear of being discovered. The final note was the most chilling. Typed in haste, ribbon ink smeared, "They know. If you find this, forgive me." After reading them, Ava couldn't sleep, convinced she heard the typewriter's keys clicking softly at night. Then, just as mysteriously, the letters vanished from her drawer days later, with no sign of forced entry. No one in the neighborhood remembers S or A, but some say forbidden love leaves marks that never quite fade, and some secrets refuse to stay buried.